Good morning, students. I am Navdeep Dhaliwal, faculty of Arya College of Engineering and IT, Electronics and Communication Department. So, today I am going to explain monochrome TV transmitter in this session. So, this session is all about complete block diagram of monochrome TV transmitter, in which I will explain each and every component in detail. So, to understand this session, these are my session outlines. So first I am going to explain basics of monochrome TV transmitter. Then I will be going to explain basic block diagram of monochrome TV transmitter, and in this block diagram I will explain each and every component which is there with monochrome TV transmitter, and along with this we will see working of monochrome TV transmitter, and then after I will explain basic parameter of monochrome TV transmitter. So let us begin this session with first agenda, that is basics of monochrome TV transmitter. Now see, in monochrome TV transmitter we have black and white video image. So monochrome means black and white TV, and in that black and white TV we differentiate pixels by having a gray shade. So in monochrome TV it will be a black and white TV, and differentiation of pixels that is being getting done based on the gray shade, and that video information that we are bisecting into small picture elements, and those picture elements is preferred as pixels. Are there are almost infinite number of pixels or elements that is there in any picture. So information of picture is very complex, and each element that is having different level of brightness. So in monochrome TV each pixel or element having different brightness, and information is given as a function of two variable, that is space and time, and ideally there is infinite number of elements which is there in optical domain. So video that is there in optical domain, practically there is conversion of optical element into electrical form. So practically there is conversion of optical element into electrical form is done, and its transmission is carried out element by element. So here we will be transmitting elements in sequence, and we will be doing scanning of entire video elements by elements, and scanning is being done at very fast rate, and this process is repeated large number of time per second to create an illusion of video. So here we will be having monochrome TV transmitter, where we will be having two section, one is video section and one is audio section. So first I will explain you what is video section and how we send signal in electrical domain. So see, in this block diagram we will having TV camera, and that TV camera will be capturing video, and that video that will be there in optical domain. So here at the front of camera there will be object, and that object video that we are record by this camera, that will translate this video detail into electrical domain, and that electrical domain signal of video that we will be given to video amplifier first, and after video amplifier we will give it to AM modulator, and then there will be, so there will AM modulating amplifier. So see, this AM modulating amplifier is combination of AM modulator and amplifier. So ultimately here we will be having video data that we will be capturing it by TV camera, and we will amplify, there will be amplitude modulation, and then synchronization and scanning is provided, so that we cannot provide fragmentation. So video details, so whatever electrical signal that has been converted by this TV camera, that should not get fragmented, it should get synchronized, so that we will be having scanning and synchronization circuit which is connected to TV camera as well as AM modulating amplifier circuit. So this is what about video section over here. And one thing that we should know, the bandwidth of video section is in monochrome TV transmitter, that will be about 5 megahertz. And let us see now audio section. So see, in audio section we will be having mic first, and that mic will convert this audio signal into electrical signal. So whatever audio of given object is there, that will record by the mic, and that will convert into electrical signal. After that there will be audio amplifier, and then after we will be connecting frequency modulating amplifier. So here we do frequency modulation, and then there will be FM sound transmission. So you can see this is what about audio section. And in this audio section we will be having frequency modulation. So initially there will be mic which will be recording audio that will be converting into electrical signal, and after it will given to audio amplifier, and then there will be frequency modulation, and in video section there will be amplitude modulation, and there will be scan and synchronization circuit. Now see, this audio section that will be having bandwidth around 20 kilohertz, and this video section that will be having bandwidth around 5 megahertz, and we want to send both these signals by antenna. So bandwidth of video section is around 5 megahertz, and bandwidth of audio that is around 20 kilohertz. So it is extremely difficult to send by antenna as frequency is very low, so we need to convert this low frequency in high frequency. So for that we will be having crystal oscillator first, and that crystal oscillator will be given to RF amplifier. So here we will be having RF frequency, and that RF frequency that we will amplify first, and that we will be connected with AM signal. So this AM signal of video that will be connected with RF section amplifier, and then we will combine this audio data as well as video data. So combining network will be there, and that combined data that we will giving it to antenna. So here we will be having antenna which will be transmitting combined information of video as well as audio. Audio will be having bandwidth about 5 megahertz, and audio will be having bandwidth about 20 kilohertz. And combining of both, that we will be forwarding it by transmitting antenna. In video we will be having amplitude modulation, and in audio we will be having frequency modulation. Now let us see the basic parameters which is there with monochrome TV here. So here it has video information in black and white with the shade of gray. So based on brightness we form a picture. It transmits on channel in the VHF and UHF frequency. So here the antenna which is there with us, so that will be forwarding information in VHF and UHF frequencies. So here we send information of VHF or UHF frequency, and picture and sound signal are modulated over RF carrier to reduce size of antenna. So we do modulation to reduce size of antenna, as information of video and audio is having low frequency. Here RF carrier is used to reduce size of antenna. So this is all about monochrome TV transmitter.